Sometimes automotive recalls have a tendency to snowball. That's the case for Ford, which just recalled a batch of vehicles that were just recalled last year to fix a problem that occurred during the previous recall. Last summer, Ford recalled more than 30,000 2022 and 2023 Mustangs due to a calibration issue with the secondary steering torque sensor. Left unchecked, the problem could cause the steering wheel to start turning on its own, which is definitely something you don't want. Now the automaker has filed a secondary recall with the NHTSA for about 300 Mustang vehicles that did not have the update installed correctly, but were recorded as having received the repair successfully completed in Ford's records. That means those vehicles are still in danger of having the steering wheel begin oscillating without warning due to the electronic-powered steering gear providing unintended and unwanted steering assist. It's obviously not an ideal situation for Ford and any Mustang owners who don't like it when their car tries to steer itself. But it's kind of incredible that the secondary issue was caught at all. It started in November 2024 when an audit was requested for software part numbers applied to vehicles remedied under a sample of field service actions. When that data came back insufficient, the audit was expanded and it discovered that about 2% of the vehicles originally recalled didn't match up between the software state on the service tool and the new software release. Fortunately, no injuries or accidents were reported due to the recall, so the potential phantom steering problem never got out of hand. Ford sold nearly 2.1 million vehicles in 2024. The traditional Mustang and the Mach-E accounted for nearly 100,000 of that total. So the automaker's business is still overwhelmingly trucks and SUVs, but the Mustang is still a significant part of the equation. I'm Ben Munson, and this is Manufacturing Now.